following areas: Androscoggin, Central and Southern Somerset, Waldo, Interior Cumberland Highlands, Kennebec, Knox, Lincoln, Franklin, Oxford, Saginaw, and Northern New Hampshire, including the following areas: Northern Carroll, Northern Grafton, and Southern Coos. Then, from late tonight to late Wednesday night, impacts from combined rain and snowmelt will cause high flows on area streams and small rivers. The increased flows will break up ice, increasing the risk of ice-jam flooding. For coastal areas, the risk of urban and low-lying area flooding is likely. Additional details: rainfall of 0.5 to 1.5 inches is expected, highest along the mid-coast in the mountains. The addition of snowmelt on the higher terrain could result in small stream flooding. The larger rivers may approach bankful, but are not expected to flood at this time.
Oh, 107.5. Alright, I'll be right over.